And hello YouTube. Welcome to my print farm. If you would like to see more of my print farm, hit the like and subscribe button and I will show it. So, did my supports work or fail? And as you can clearly see, they worked very well. So the ultimate test, apart from passing the failure stage, is how easy they are to come off. Especially with what I'm doing, which is mass producing a lot of these for a toy series. So if you go to www.creativetoys.org, that's creativetoys.org, you'll see a lot of the models I've been working on. And this is how I get to mass produce. By having good supports and taking that time, it took me about 35 minutes, and probably took me a little longer because I was making the video about it, to get the supports on these things. But let's see how quickly I can remove them from a batch of 13. 13 in the batch, they all came out great. This one, the sniper rifle, snapped, but that's just due to my negligence. And here comes another one, or three. Let's see how fast I can do these three. Look how easy the supports just come off. And that's because I made those tips about 18, and I gave the base a little bit of a thicker tip, so they're a little firmer to rip off, but I mean, it's a strong, firm base there. It's pretty easy. Look at that. Look at how that comes off. And that's what you want with your supports. Don't want to be wasting time. And the prints came out immaculate, perfect. Very little scarring or scoring from them. Even underneath where the supports were, ranging about 20 millimeters. Again, there's another one, and another one. Look at that. Look at how easy that snapped off. And that's why it is so important that we take the time to make those supports work for us rather than against us. Even I went out of my way to make sure that none of the supports got attached to the base, was far enough from the base that if there was a slight warp, you can see there's some that are still coming pretty close. But because I took that time to make sure that it was nowhere near the base at the back there, I don't really have any issues just clearing them off and taking them. So yeah, if you would like to see more content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I would like to share a lot of the knowledge and experience that I've built up over the years by watching other people, learning, trial and error, mistakes. When I first started all this, I have a heap of other models you can see that failed, or early days had a lot of problems taking supports off them. Now I've kind of mastered it. I feel I have anyway for myself. And you can see, it's pretty clean at the back there. That's just by ripping it off. I haven't even run a brush over it or anything. Models came out really nice. Details beautiful. So, like I said, if you want to see more of my work, go to www.creativetoys.org. And thank you for watching. See you in the next vid.